Hello, good morning. This is your daily outlook for Thursday, the 11th of April. The euro is reversing its negative trend against the US dollar, moving above 130.65, having absorbed the news on the Cyprus deal, Italian elections, the Greek depression, the threat of Spain and Portugal, the ineptitude of the French government and the disagreement with Germany on issuing a common Eurobond and agreeing to a common banking authority to resolve the European debt crisis. Fundamentals seem to price the euro poorly. On the other hand, the daily technical analysis looks clearer. A head and shoulders pattern has emerged and we are on the second shoulder, looking for a steep drop in the medium term. Gold dropped ahead of the news that the Central Bank of Cyprus will be forced to sell 10 tonnes of the precious metal as part of the bailout deal agreed with their European peers. The precious metal dropped $30 on the announcement to 1,553. Weekly option volatilities for the euro-dollar are still low at 8.35 as markets price in lower option premiums ahead of the news release for this week. Now let's take a look at what the currencies are doing this morning. The euro-dollar pivot points at 130.90 with a preference to enter into short positions at 130.90. The dollar-yen pivot points at 98.90 with a preference to enter into long positions at 98.90. The Aussie-dollar pivot points at 105 with a preference to enter into long positions at 105. The sterling-dollar pivot points at 153.60 with a preference to enter into short positions at 153.60. And the dollar-CAD pivot points at 101.75 with a preference to enter into short positions at 101.75. Looking at commodities and indices. The oil pivot points at 93.40 with a preference to enter into long positions at 93.40. The gold pivot points at 1575 with a preference to enter into short positions at 1575. The silver pivot point at 27.35 with a preference to enter into long positions at 27.35. The US 500 is at 1564 with a preference to enter into long positions at 1564. And the UK 100 is at 6373 with a preference to enter into short positions at 6373. And of course, more up-to-date information, please visit us at easy-forex.com. And watch out for these market movers at 12:20 GMT in the US. We have the unemployment claims expected at 362,000. At 12:30 GMT also in the US, we have the import prices month on month forecast to drop by 0.4%. And at 23:50 in Japan, we have the tertiary industry activity month on month forecast to rise by 6.9%. And our pair of the day today is the Aussie yen. The Australian dollar has seen monumental gains against the Japanese yen as the Aussie gains on better export data. The pair was shy of 105.30 before retracing to 104.60 after slightly lower than expected unemployment rates from Australia. Should, however, the pair stay above 104, then look for higher highs. Thank you for tuning into our Daily Outlook. We look forward to seeing you again tomorrow. I'm Emma Andre from the Easy Forex Dealing Room. Have a great day.
Not only have you found a great place for Forex news, you found a great place to trade it. Registration is easy. Just click Join Now. Membership has its unique benefits, such as the freeze rate, the trade simulator, the inside viewer, and personal dealers. Your personal account manager is waiting for you now.